Being an entrepreneur in and of itself is, let's just say, a journey of self-discovery. I used to be the kind of person who focused on plan A, and I would make plan A work no matter what, and it would work because it has to. But COVID, I think, has taught us all that you have to have a backup for the backup for the backup. So there's really no such thing as plan A anymore. We pretty much go through the entire alphabet. I will never forget the first time I heard someone tell me we're stronger when we are running up hills. And it's so true. And I think the thing that just keeps me going up the hill, even when the hill gets steeper, is the end game. And seeing what's at the top of the hill and trying to get to it. Even when it feels like it's getting further and further away, it's reaching the goal. Another great piece of advice I heard kind of recently was thinking about the point where you want to give up. And what's beyond that point is where the success lives. I think we all have an inner voice. We kind of have two inner voices, and one of them is really nice and one of them is really mean and a little bit of a saboteur. It's really about choosing which voice you're going to listen to get to the other side of that point where you want to give up. There are several themes in this issue, but one that truly resonated with me was a theme of grit and courage. And in looking at entrepreneurs that I talked to, it really reminded me of why entrepreneurs keep going and why leaders keep going, and how you have to have that strength to fight through adversity and overcome challenges, because challenges as a business owner, as a leader, as an entrepreneur come at you from every single direction, and you just sort of have to teach yourself how to block and tackle and move forward. And I was so inspired by some of the women that are featured in this issue, because that's all we really talked about was overcoming all of these challenges. And I'm hearing these challenges while we're featuring these super successful business leaders. And so that is inspiring to me to remember that grit and courage have to go hand in hand. You can't really have one without the other if you want to succeed.